Hey, it's a 4-pack day. This is Jason from JOC. Thanks, guys, for hanging with me today. I'm going to do 4 packs of 1987 Topps. Let's go. Hope your day's going well. Let's see who we get. We're going to be looking for some key cards. We got Cliff Griffey Sr. Things like key Hall of Famers, but also Bo Jackson rookie, Barry Bonds, Will Clark, Mark McGwire, Jose Canseco. I'm probably missing one or two, but Mookie Wilson. Got a Don Baylor. A lot of great stuff here in this 87 Topps set. As I've said probably 300 times, it's one of the earliest ones that I've opened as a kid. 87 and 88 were the first two that I remember opening. Got a Ruben Sierra. Lou Whitaker, why not? Not scoring too much so far. Great classic wood borders. It's cool seeing the old logos and teams like, the Expos. It's pretty cool stuff. We got a checklist. Got a Bobby Bonilla still getting paid. And then we get, it's got the wax on it, but a Mike Schmidt All-Star card. Nice. And we're down to our last pack. I invite you to follow me along. I do this every day, at least one video a day, and that will go out at 10 o'clock Eastern. And I will sometimes post a second. And I'm going to start doing some whatnot auctions where you can buy cards that you see me open, or stuff that I've opened in the past, rather. It's not a live break or anything. Got a Wade Boggs. Dennis Eckersley. So check it out. It's under the same name, Jason Opens Cards. So be sure to follow me there. Dave Parker, All-Star card. Nice. There's a link on my YouTube profile that will take you there, and you get $15 off your first whatnot purchase. So be sure to check that out. Hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.